The Alliance is comprised of researchers from 5 universities around the world. We have researchers from Cornell University, from Kedge Business School in France. We have Hong Kong Polytech in Asia, University of Bolzano in Italy, and EHL in Switzerland.
We are in New York City for the 3rd meeting of the Alliance for Research in Wine and Hospitality Management. For this 3rd edition, we have 22 papers, 35 participants from everywhere in the world, very interesting discussion, very stimulating presentation, and time to discuss with our colleagues to have some questions, some comments to improve our research.
How it permeates differently. The event is designed to get hospitality researchers together from across the globe. The purpose is to basically share ideas, learn from each other, and figure out ways to further our understanding of how hospitality is affected by wine and maybe food and beverage more broadly defined.
This conference is very interesting because you've got all professors specialized in wine in the world. They are often specialized in wine economics or in wine marketing. Here we are confronting our results of research. That's why this conference is so interesting, to get accurate knowledge on very specific topics.
Session 4, session 3.
That's an opportunity to bring some visibility to those topics that are still widely regarded as a niche in the academia, even though they have a pretty big share in terms of both employment and also value created for the economy.
I have been working for a long time on wine research and wine economics, so I think for me that was a perfect fit to join this alliance from a personal point of view, but also from an institutional point of view.
There is a dedicated session for students. They can present their work, their research. So I think for them it's also a great chance to be involved directly in the conference.
We're trying to encourage students to become involved in this group. First, as a way for them to become interested in this industry, and second, as a way for us as professors to take some of these ideas back to the classroom so that we can expose students to the many different ideas and topics that we're talking about at this Alliance meeting.
The most important part about developing a strong network is to have close contacts and meetings on a regular basis and to have a strong research interest in its actual topics.
That's not Mexican food the way I.
Our goal with this alliance of research is to build a strong community of scholars from all over the world and around 2 different but closely related disciplines that are wine management and hospitality management. The network is developing well, and we would like to invite you to join us to share views and join efforts on some challenging issues that organizations such as wineries, hotels, restaurants are faced with in a global and fast-evolving world.